When patients ask me what inspired me to go into medicine, I always think back to a little children's book my mother gave me. It was the story of Florence Nightingale. Technically, she was a nurse, not a doctor, but isn't that the point? Healing has never been confined to a title. Nurses, doctors, caregivers, true healers share a common calling to restore dignity, reduce suffering, and trust in the body's capacity for renewal. That same spirit inspires the work I do in regenerative medicine today, helping the body repair itself with excellence, precision, and trust.